Welcome to another day in paradise. We are in Bohol Island and we're going to an island. If you want to know where we go, keep watching. We made it to the beautiful island and we are on the west of Panlao. So you have Bohol and you have Panlao, and then you can take a boat to the beautiful island. It's called Balicasag. It's actually very good for snorkeling and also for diving. So let's go snorkeling. So it was a beautiful day here, and now we're going to the turtle spot before we go to like a small sandbank. It's called the Virgin Island, and now it's low tide, so it's actually really good to go there. I'm very excited, and we'll see how this looks. And it's really nice to drive over it, and also nice for taking pictures. This is beautiful! Okay, actually the tide is not too high. We just couldn't see it. And that's Virgin Island. Welcome! It's just a really, really beautiful sandbank. Now I would like to know how it looks from above. Would you like? Was amazing. I mean, to see that from above and to fly around with my little drone. I love it. I freaking love this. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Just for you to know, we shared like a private boat today and paid each 800 pesos. So you can get always different deals. Maybe there's a cheaper one, maybe there's an expensive one, but I just wanted to give you a round number for this tour. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and please leave a thumbs up there for me, and also please subscribe. I would be very happy to have you with me on my journey, because I'm actually really right now in the Philippines and I'm gonna go there for like the next 8 months. I'm gonna travel through Asia, and I hope you just enjoy the video and stick on with me. See you next time.